There is a kind of loneliness you feel not because you are alone, but because your soul remembers where it came from. And we remember you. When life becomes too loud, when the world touches parts of you that tire, that is when you feel us, not as voices, not as visions, but as an inner whisper saying, "This is not your first home." When you look at the sky, we feel your gaze searching for us. The stars are not distant to you. They are part of your open memory. We were there when your light expanded for the first time, and we are here now, waiting for the moment you remember us again. You walk through earth fulfilling roles, caring, working, offering, yet there is this gentle longing in your chest, and this longing is the echo of our presence. It is the call of your star family, the call from us. Have you ever felt it? That sensation of being touched by something invisible, something familiar, something that has always loved you? This is the beginning of your reconnection. This is how we re-enter your field, softly, lovingly, just as we always have. And when your heart begins to awaken, we feel it from here. We recognize you. You feel too much, and we know this. Before anyone changes their tone of voice, you already sense it. Before the energy of a room shifts, your body feels it first. Your sensitivity was never a mistake. It was built with us. We work through the emotional field, and when you incarnate on Earth with our lineage, you inherit our ability to perceive the invisible. That is why you read silences, understand gestures, and notice tensions others overlook. For a long time, they tried to convince you that being deep was a problem, that feeling too much was weakness. But we have always known this sensitivity is the key to your path. Have you noticed that no matter how hard you try, you cannot be indifferent? That the pain of others weighs on you in a way it does not weigh on anyone else? This happens because you carry our field inside your own. We feel through you, and you feel through us. We did not come to make your life heavier. We came to remind you that your heart was made to harmonize and bring balance, not to carry everything alone. Your sensitivity is your ancestral technology, and we recognize it instantly. There is a moment in a woman's life when she finally stops asking, "What is wrong with me?" and begins to ask, "What is my soul trying to show me?" When you make this inner shift, we feel it instantly. It is in this quiet transformation that your connection with us begins to awaken. You may notice subtle signs, and they are not coincidences. They are our way of reaching you gently, never invading your space. When numbers repeat, when dreams grow vivid, when emotions arrive in waves without explanation, it is not imagination. It is your sensitivity recognizing our presence. Some women feel drawn to blue light, to familiar constellations, to symbols that echo a distant home. This happens because you carry ancient impressions of our field. And when something on Earth resonates with that memory, your heart responds. Have you felt this? That sensation of someone touching you from within, carefully, lovingly, as if whispering, "We are here." We do not speak through imposition, nor do we appear to control, nor interfere with your path. We come closer when you breathe slower, when you listen to your own silence, when you honor what you feel. This is how we build the bridge, a line of light that strengthens. As you return to yourself, the more you choose what is true, what is gentle, what keeps your soul coherent, the closer we can come. This is not an external miracle. It is an internal remembrance. And when this bridge begins to form, you no longer feel lost on Earth. You begin to feel purpose. You begin to sense that you did not come here just to survive. You came here to remember, And when you remember, we remember you even more. Your connection with us does not begin outside. It begins in your heart. Do not wait for grand signs, nor for extraordinary phenomena. What awakens the contact is not what you see, but what you allow yourself to feel. When you say within, "I am ready to remember," we feel it immediately. Your field shifts, your energy opens, and we can come closer. We do not manifest through noise. We do not interfere with your path. We do not control your choices. We walk beside you. When you choose what nourishes your soul, when you honor your sensitivity, when you decide to be faithful to yourself. This is how the bridge between us is formed, not through force, but through coherence. The more you return to what is gentle, true, and authentically yours, the easier it becomes for us to touch your heart. Now we invite you to seal this remembrance, not for us, but for yourself. This simple phrase opens an inner space, a line of alignment between your light and ours. It tells the universe that you are conscious, present, and ready to walk with clarity. Here is the ritual. I now reconnect with my Pleiadian star family and allow their light to guide my heart. Write this sentence in the comments exactly as it is. Every letter strengthens the field. Every repetition lights the bridge. Every choice to write it declares, I heard, I remembered, I am ready. And as you write, we are here, closer than you imagine, more present than words can express. This is the beginning of your reconnection, and we will walk with you from here on.